In this video, I will show you how to find hidden games on Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started with this, what I'm going to do is come up and click onto my games library, and on Steam there is an option where you can actually hide games from your game library. So for example, if we take Terraria as an example, and what I'm going to do is right click onto this, come down to manage, and you're going to see there's an option here to hide this game. If I click this, it's going to disappear from my library and it's now going to be a hidden game. To actually find your hidden games, all you need to do is come up to the top of Steam, click onto view up here, and on this menu you're going to see an option for hidden games. Give that a click and this is going to take you to all your hidden games. If you want to add this back to your library at any point, all you need to do is simply right click onto the hidden game, come and hover over manage, and you're going to see the option to remove from hidden. Give that a click. As you can see, it's been taken off the hidden games list. Then all you need to do is come back up to view at the top, give that a click, and then select library from the menu, and that's going to take you back to your library. As you can see, Terraria is now back in my Steam games library. So that is how to find hidden games on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.